Hi class, welcome to the weather news. My name is Andres Almarales. I am the weather forecast of Santa Marta City. For Monday, 22nd in the morning, the weather be clear. The temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. Later, a strong breeze will be upper and temperature will be 32 degrees Celsius. With a right night and the temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. I reckon not leave home, danger of the storm. And Tuesday, 23 in the morning, the weather will be clear. The temperature will be 28 degrees Celsius. I reckon to the world happy. Later, in the will be sunny with a temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. I reckon I'm for running with cold night, a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. I reckon look a star. On Wednesday, 24 in the morning, the weather be hot. The temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. I reckon the swimming beach. Later, a strong be hot bit of the temperature of 13.7 degrees Celsius. Recommend to hydrate. With a night about with a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Recommend sleep fresh. And Thursday, 25 in the morning, the sun will be calm with a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. I reckon for the rain now. The tree will be perfect with a temperature of degrees Celsius. I reckon to the flag. The night will be cloud with temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. Perfect preparing in coffee. On Friday, 26, the weather will be cloudy. The temperature will be 28 degrees Celsius. In the afternoon, the weather below snow. The temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. Followed by Harleston. I reckon not rely on the home watch TV. Bye class.